Hello students, welcome to the Click English channel. I'm Tutor Nick and this is my Better English course. In lesson 99 we will focus on a new tense, the present perfect. You will see how this is used with the adverbs yet, just and already to say when things happen. In this video we're going to look at a new tense, the present perfect, and how this is used with the words yet, just and already. Look at the pictures and read the conversations. Then complete them with a past participle from the list. Look at the highlighted words in the conversations. Then match sentences 1 to 4 to sentences A to D. He's made lunch. He's just made lunch. He's already made lunch. He hasn't made lunch yet.
He's going to make lunch later. He made lunch earlier than usual. He made lunch very recently. Lunch is ready.
Listen to these sentences. I've cleaned the fridge. It looks new.
He hasn't done the washing up. Can you help me do it? The concert starts soon. Have you turned off your phone?
Yes, I have.
Mary's had her baby.
A parcel has arrived for you. We often use the present perfect to talk about the recent past and its relationship with the present. For example, I've cleaned the fridge, so now it looks new. We don't say exactly when things happened. For example, I've cleaned the fridge, not I've cleaned the fridge 10 minutes ago. We often use the present perfect to give recent news. I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, they have. I've, you've, he, she, it's, we've, they've. I haven't, you haven't, he, she, it hasn't, we haven't, they haven't. Finished the washing up. Have you finished the exercise? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has he done the homework? Yes, he has. No, he hasn't. For regular verbs, the past participle is the same as the past simple. In other words, you add ed. For irregular verbs, the past participle is sometimes the same as the past simple. For example, buy, bought, bought, and sometimes different. Do, did, done. Look at these examples of the use of yet, just, and already.
Have you finished your homework yet?
No, not yet. I haven't finished yet.
My sister's just started a new job.
Do you want to see this film?
No, I've already seen it 3 times.
We often use yet, just, and already with the present perfect. We use yet plus the present perfect in questions and negative sentences. To ask if something has happened or say if it hasn't happened. We put yet at the end of the sentence. We use just in positive sentences to say that something happened very recently. We put just before the main verb. We use already in positive sentences to say that something happened before now or earlier than expected. We put already before the main verb. Write sentences with the present perfect. Write sentences or questions with yet, just, or already. He's made lunch.
Lunch is ready.
He's just made lunch.
He made lunch very recently.
He's already made lunch.
He made lunch earlier than usual.
He hasn't made lunch yet.
He's going to make lunch later.
Write sentences with the present perfect.
He's cleaned the car. She's bought a new jacket. He hasn't found a job yet. Have you spoken to Mr. Jackson? We've found a fantastic hotel. They haven't finished eating. Have you seen Peter recently? Have you done your homework? We haven't replied to their email yet. He's already arrived. I've just had breakfast. Have you finished your dinner yet? The film has already started. I haven't met his girlfriend yet. They've just got married. You're too late. He's already gone home. We've just spoken to him. I haven't read his new book yet.